Hello and welcome to the video where I'll show you how to turn off the beeping sound on your GoPro 7 Black. And if you don't want to turn the beeping sound off, you can just turn it down. So what we want to do is at the display screen here, swipe down from the top, like so, eventually, and you can see a musical note icon. Now, if we press that, it mutes and it says camera beeps off. You may have seen that. Let me just turn it on. Camera beeps on. Camera beeps off. So that's how you can turn it off completely and quickly just from the swipe down. Now, if we go into preferences, we can see general, and in general, we have beep volume. And if you press here, you have a couple of options, one being high, one being medium. Each time you select, you have to go back into the menu and you can go to low. Ooh. And if you don't want it low, you can go to my new favorite, which is mute. So once you're done there, you just come out of those options and you can swipe up and you're back to normal. So I hope this has helped you out. If it has, please give me a thumbs up. Consider it your good deed for the day, and it really does help me out. If you've got any tips on using a GoPro, perhaps the battery life, because I'm seeing the battery go down quite quickly, even whilst I'm recording, I'd be really keen to hear from you, because I've just got this camera yesterday. If you check out my previous GoPro video, you'll see me unboxing it, and I've got some accessories like the chest mount and the suction pad to film in the car. So I'm really looking forward to making some new and interesting content for you guys. So if there's anything you want to know in particular, or anything you want to see in particular, especially as I'm in London, I'm always out and about, can capture some great footage. So hey, let's make this a community. Let me know what you're up to with your GoPros also. And listen, just want to say thank you very much for choosing my video, and hopefully if you like it, you can subscribe, share it with colleagues, come back, because there'll definitely be some new and exciting content coming up over the next few days and few weeks. So hope to hope to hear from you, and hopefully you will see some more stuff from me real soon. So on that note, just want to wish you farewell and have a great day.